Dreamstime.com audio.
My name is Shitiz Sharma and I graduated in 2021 from Sandeep University. My all-India rank was 33 from aerospace. Yeah. So can you tell me something about yourself? You did
Yeah,
your
sure. My name is Hrithik Patil and I'm from Bagalkot, Karnataka. I did
Mhm.
my aerospace engineering from RV College of Engineering. I passed out recently in 2022.
Okay.
Yeah, and
That's
then
great.
I had written GATE previously in 2022, but I had not gotten a great result. So I tried again this year and I got good rank in 2023.
That's good. Your hard work paid off after all.
Yeah.
Can you tell me about your motivation? Like you have given it 2 times. So what motivated you to appear for
Uh,
another time also?
Yeah, so the ultimate motivation is obviously studying in premier institutes. I mean, like any Indian, I had dreamt of studying in IITs, ISCs. At BE, I couldn't do it, so I had always dreamt of doing it at least for masters. So that's the main motivation to study in premier institutes.
That's good to hear. I think it's the same for us. Even I
Yeah,
had the
yeah,
same thing. And it was a good journey for you then it would be, right? It for 1 year with
yeah,
IGC.
yeah, yeah.
So can you share about your journey, something
Yeah,
about your journey?
so the gate journey, as I told you, I had given it in previous year also, but I started the preparation late, and also my the final exam dates clashed with gate exam, so it was very hectic, and I couldn't prepare well last time. So my all exams and my graduation ended in July, August. So I had good 4 5 months to prepare well till February and give it this time. Since I had read most of the syllabus already last year, so I started a bit late in October, and then I started a bit late so that I could gain the proper momentum till the end. So that if I finish it early, then the momentum won't be there at the end during the exam time. So I started in October, and I finished all the preparations by Jan, and I gave all mock tests in IGC.
That's good to hear. So you have given the mock test, right?
Yeah,
And IGC actually conducts a lot of mock tests. You will be having 10 something
yeah,
around.
12 mock tests were
Oh
there
yeah,
this
12,
time.
12 mock tests. Okay.
Yeah.
So can you tell me about your experience of handling the exam pressures, something?
Yeah, so obviously, no matter how many exams you give, there will always be pressure on that day because you know the stakes are high. If you miss out, you have to wait one more year. And I out of 12, I think I gave 11 exams. The only last one I did not give because I had already started revising during the
Mhm.
last one. Uh, but this experience helped a lot because the user interface and the question level were very similar to the actual exam,
Yeah.
and it helped me imbibe that sense of taking a real exam, and also it helped me handle pressure better because giving 10 tests, 10 11 mock tests, I knew exactly what not to do in the exams in case if I'm not able to solve 2 3 questions in a row. I knew I had to back myself to solve the remaining ones.
Mhm. That's great. So, how do you feel? Were you satisfied with the IGC mentorship and support? Or
Yeah. So I had taken only mock tests from IGC, and
okay,
the mock tests were obviously very good. In my opinion, they were harder than the actual exam itself for many parts, and also the analysis given at the end was sufficient. It helped me a lot to identify in which subjects I was not doing great. And also Dinesh sir also followed up after a few exams. He followed me up with how I'm preparing and also guided me on what things I can do better for the remaining exams.
Good. Actually, IGC provides a lot of support. Means a lot of a college misses them out, but even for your
Yeah.
PSU also they will help you a lot. That's
Yeah.
good.
Last year they had helped me. In fact, last year when I had given GATE and
Uh,
I'd gotten shortlisted for this HAL interview.
okay.
So even last year I had taken only mock test from IGC. Even then they helped me provide a interview from an expert, a mock interview from an expert, so that I can crack the
Yeah,
HAL
that's
interview. But unfortunately, last time HAL they wanted graduates, so they did not consider me in the end because I was in the final year.
no worries. This time you are
Yeah.
graduate and you have a good rank also. Definitely you will success ahead also. Can you tell me something like you have prepared for 1 year and 2 years? So, what reference book you have used? Means, if you would like to suggest some GATE aspirants, so what reference book you would like to tell them?
Yeah, so obviously, I mean, I have used all the standard books only, nothing out of the ordinary. So I have used J.D. Anderson for aerodynamics, gas dynamics, and also Intro to Flight for flight mechanics. And I used James M. Gere Strength of Materials for structures. For
Mhm.
rocket propulsion, I have used D.P. Mishra, and for the regular propulsion, aircraft propulsion, I have used V. Ganeshan. And all of these are
Mhm.
good books. All standard books only are good.
Good, good. So, any suggestion that you would like to give for GATE aspirants
Yeah, so
about
the
preparation and handling pressure, some things like that?
yeah, so according to my experience, I mean this obviously this has helped me. So I actually even though I had studied previously, when I started in October, I was not I hadn't solved problems till December end. I finished all the concepts. I revised them. I made sure all the concepts are crystal clear before attempting to solve the questions. And this, I mean, obviously for some people they learn with solving problems, but in my case I always prepare theory well in advance, so that and then later try to solve problems after the theory is complete. So in my opinion, I mean, do whatever works for you obviously, but in my opinion, get the theory crystal clear before you get to solving the problems. This will help you in the confidence, because if you are you clear 100% theory, then there's a good chance that when you start solving the problems, it will start appearing a bit easy.
That's right, actually. And like you said, you went for HAL, and that time you were not graduate. But so, what are your future plans now? Have you changed them, or you're still opting for PSUs?
No, I think, I mean, this time I'm more focused towards joining MTech only.
Okay.
Uh, I mean, I'm trying for ISC, but if not the ISC, I'll go for IIT Bombay or IIT Kanpur. But mainly focus right now has been shifted to MTech only,
Mhm.
not PSU as of now.
That's good. That's good. Uh, that's that's good to hear from you, and all the best for your future.
Thank you.
Thank you.